Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream cheese Kunafa. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of shredded Kunafa dough, which is often found in the freezer section. Also, melt 1 cup of unsalted butter or ghee to give our Kunafa that authentic, rich flavor. For the creamy filling, prepare 16 ounces of softened cream cheese, along with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of semolina. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious dessert. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the Kunafa dough. If your dough isn't already shredded, make sure to pull it apart into very fine strands. Next, pour the melted butter or ghee over the shredded dough and mix it thoroughly until every strand is coated. This step is crucial for that golden, crispy texture. Take about half of this buttered dough and press it firmly and evenly into a 9-inch round baking pan, forming a solid bottom layer. With our dough base ready, it's time to create the luscious cream cheese filling. In a separate bowl, combine the 16 ounces of softened cream cheese with the 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Mix these together until they are well incorporated and smooth. Then, add the 1/4 cup of semolina to this mixture and stir until it's fully blended. Carefully spread this creamy filling evenly over the Kunafa dough in your pan, leaving a small border of about 1/2 inch around the edges. Almost there. Now take the remaining buttered Kunafa dough and carefully spread it over the cream cheese filling, gently pressing it down to form the top layer. Place your Kunafa in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown and crispy. As soon as it comes out of the oven, immediately pour warm simple syrup evenly over the hot Kunafa. Let it soak in, then serve and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.